about defeat, okay? I've really been struggling with trying to stay motivated, and I just haven't been able to. And you know, today I was like, okay, I'm going to get motivation. It may be a little late in the day, but I'm up, I'm ready. I got myself ready so that I feel good, and I'm making my bed so that I feel good. And I wanted to share with you guys, you know, I haven't been here in a while, and I just wanted to share with you guys, give you some motivation, and tell you a little bit about what has been going on. And as you can see, my first order of business is making the bed, and I turn around after it's all done and my camera shut off. So I have no idea what happened, but the bed is made and here we are. So yeah, not gonna redo that again, but I do think that's the first time I've pulled my curtains back in a long time. And it's kind of weird even just looking out there. If you guys don't know where I've been or what has happened, our dog Buddy, who had just turned 5 years old on April 20th of this year, was hit by a car right outside these windows, or a truck I would say. It happened on May 24th, and we had just stepped outside for the evening on the back porch like we always do, and the sun was just setting. It was dusk, and I think, I didn't see it with my own eyes, but I would assume that a deer maybe had ran by and caught Buddy's attention, and he chased the deer, and I saw him run around the house, but I didn't think anything of it. And literally a minute later I heard the awfulest sound, and I ran to the front yard, and that is what happened. I don't really want to go into detail. I did film some stuff earlier, but it's just too painful to go back and look at, so I'm just not going to. But we did take him to the hospital that night. The next day we drove him to a specialist in St. Louis, and he just wasn't able to be saved. So that's where we are, and it's been, I don't know, it's been rough. Like, Buddy was not like any other dog that we've ever had. He was always by my side, like always on my lap, snuggling with me, like just attached to me at all times, just all of us. Obviously we loved him so much. It's just been really hard, especially for me. Like, I've been taking it the hardest, and I was just thinking about it nonstop. Like, I needed to have my headphones on or something playing at all times, so that like I wasn't like reliving the sights and sounds and everything that went along with all of that, and just every little sad moment just kept replaying. That's kind of like stopped all the, like, I mean, not completely, but it's not like bombarding me. I don't know how good you can see me, but let me move the camera closer. Since we're talking, I'll move the camera closer. But it's not bombarding me anymore like it was, but I've just had no motivation, like, to get up and clean or do anything, and that's just not like me. I'm just the type of person, I get up and I go. I don't like just sitting around and scrolling through TikTok all day. I mean, TikTok's fun and all, but I mean, this is all I want to do, and then I'll just fall asleep. Napping, like, I've always been anti-nap, and I've been napping a lot, so it's just, I wake up and I'm like, so I've got myself in this funk, and I'm trying to get out of it. So I just wanted to share that with you if you've wondered where I've been, just trying to pull myself out of this funk and just feel better again. So it is summertime, and I have been getting out of the house on the weekends, hanging out with friends and eating good food, having margaritas on the patio. Like, I haven't been able to be going out and doing that kind of thing. It's just really so good for my sanity. I do want to share with you where we have Buddy now. I will show you. This is now my buddy right here. This is what I have of him. Says, if love could have saved you, you would have lived forever, and that is so true. And in the back I put, our hearts still ache in sadness and secret tears still flow. What it meant to lose you, no one will ever know. Okay, calm down, calm down. See, that's why I don't want to hash that up. That's why I didn't want to, like, get too in-depth with all that. I will show you. It's up there with Ace. My desk, ignore the mess on my desk, but I got his paw print and I got one for all the kids too. Every time I'd make the bed, Buddy would love to just lay here on this fur or just cuddle up to the pillows. He was always cuddling up here on the bed. But, yeah, I just want to let you guys know, Little Bear is doing fine. I was worried because she's never spent a minute apart from Buddy. They were born 2 days apart. He was born on the April 20th. She was born on April 22nd. And they were both 5 years old. We got them on the same day. They've been inseparable ever since. A lot of pictures I have of them, they're just standing together, posing together. That's just how they always were. I didn't make them do that. So I thought she might act depressed or something, but she hasn't. And I'm just like, I don't know. It's weird. You don't know what dogs are thinking, but she's been like extra playful. Like, I guess she doesn't have anybody to play with now. So like, she's been more playful than she normally is, so it's just not something you ever want to go through. And if you have been through this, you know exactly what it feels like. So I'm just gonna quit talking about it, so because we're getting motivated today. We're gonna press on, move on. I took those pink pillows off my bed. I'm so over them. I'm over everything, and unless I win the lottery, I'm just going to have to kind of deal with most things for a while. You know, I can't just redecorate my whole house that easily, especially with the things that I want. That's the problem. Everything that I like, I'm like, oh my gosh, in love with this lamp. It's $400. Like, why do I have such expensive taste? I don't know. But I took the pink pillows off. I put them over here by the door. I'm about to put them in the back of my vehicle. Oh my gosh, my vehicle is completely trashed. I'm gonna have to clean it out. I've got stuff that I need to take to my antique booth that I've been neglecting. Stuff that needs to go to the storage unit. I've got stuff, baskets full of stuff that I wanted to start a Poshmark with. So hopefully I can get started on those things this month. But I think I'm gonna go do a little bit more cleaning in the house, but it's been really hard for me to just wanna do an all-day clean or anything like that, because I'll do like 1 or 2 things and I'm like, all right, I'm done. But you know, if that's how you're feeling, that's okay. Do what you can, and you know, tomorrow's another day and we'll start again tomorrow and do what we can there. But I have been making dinners every night this week. Last night we had tacos. It was Taco Tuesday, so we had all the taco stuff. The night before I made Italian beef. Oh my god, one of our favorites. And tonight I'm making like a, I hate this word, but I guess it's like a goulash. I don't call it that. I don't know what I call it, but it's just like pasta, tomato sauce, like peppers, I don't know, but it's so good. Everyone loves it and it's super easy. So that's what I'm making tonight. And I'm just counting down the days till Friday when I get to go to the Mexican restaurant, sit on the patio, have my fajitas and margs. And that's just really what's been keeping my sanity all this time. And if you're wondering about the she shed, yes, we are going to do some stuff with the she shed. I just don't know when. I've got ideas, I've got decor, I've got everything like spinning around in my head. It's just, I gotta get out there and get all the stuff out, guys. I'll show you what it looks like right now. It's a firehouse, a literal firehouse. There's a pole in there. I should probably, we gotta remove the pole. I can't just do the whole, I can't do the whole place with a pole in there. What's that, what are you gonna think when I show you my pink frilly she shed and there's just a pole in there? You know what I mean? So we've got some demo to do, so I'll show you what that looks like, and then we will plant some flowers. I can't operate it because of my gloves. Is there a raccoon in there?
Not yet.
Oh my God. This is a disaster.
PS3 and TV in there if anybody wants it.
There's no way.
See how that's hanging down? Maybe I can just nail it back up.
Should we? I think I want to take the bunk out and just make this an open room. You know?
Yeah.
I don't want this bunk in here. I want it to be open. So the bunk's serving me no purpose, and the pole. That's just not a good look.
Yeah.
You know? A she shed with a pole in it.
We gotta have a pole.
How crazy would that be? Look at this. There's a spider web with spider eggs in it. Oh my God, are those wasp nests? Seriously.
There's one up there with one on it.
I'm having a panic attack.
It's really not as bad as I thought it'd be. I figured it'd be infested.
Oh.
But see, like, you'll have receptacles and shit, and there's a light on in here. That light out here works, remember?
Yeah.
This light works.
It needs some paint adjustments. Some touch-ups.
Yeah, we need to repaint it.
Well, no, we don't need to repaint it, but like up there.
Yeah, up there.
It needs touch-ups.
Up there.
Yeah.
You could probably paint the insides of these doors pink. Would look good.
Yes, that would look gorgeous, so I could like have them open and take a picture. So I'm gonna put that white bench up against it, and I want it to be like light and airy. So I mean, I would open those windows and stuff, and then yeah, we need like a sunroof or something to let some light in.
There's two windows and doors up there. You can let light in up there.
Okay, but like I want it to take the bunk down. That way I could just walk freely around in here and open that up, you know?
Yeah.
Because I'm scared to go in here now. It's dark and there could be a bug. This fan is kind of blocking my view.
See how it's all buckling?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's getting water in there or not.
I would say so. The window's been open many nights. Many rainy nights. So we probably need to tear all this stuff down. That wraps up today's video, and I missed you guys, and I hope you missed me too. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.